here we are, buddy, down at Skydive beach in Wollongong.
Hi, Tom.
All dressed up, ready to go.
Yeah, I hate you, Jake Waitsman.
Yeah. Who's that?
He's my ex-head boy who bought this package.
Yeah, right, okay. You never know, in about 45 minutes he might be your favourite person in the whole world for bringing you to this amazing experience, but you never know.
Cool.
Cool, mate. Well, without further ado, let's go have some fun.
I'm feeling I want to go higher.
Yeah? Good ahead, man. We'll go about another 7 or 8 minutes.
Yeah, let's jump out the door.
Let's go.
Come along, get right back where you belong. Hey, hey, la-di-da, 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 la-di-da.
I'm going to get you if I make it out of this alive.
Shake my hand.
Good job. Thank you. Does this thing have a bleeper on it? We'll have to bleep out the swearing later. the cloud is like little needles. This is amazing. Whoa.
Well done. Awesome, I mean, here we are.
Awesome,
mate.
thank you, Tom.
I survived that one. How was it?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Would you do another one?
I might do.
Maybe not today.
Not tomorrow, not today.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jake. You're a star. Thank you very much.
Cool, mate. Congratulations. Welcome
Thank
skydiving.
you.
Bye, see you again one day. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.